TypeScript has a ton of built-in utility types that are incredibly useful for certain things. For example, I have a user with an ID, a name, and an age, and I want to be able to create a new user in a form. So to provide a new user, I need to give it a name and an age, and I want to automatically generate the ID later. But obviously I'm getting an error because this user doesn't have the ID property. So essentially I want to get everything that's in my user except for the ID. The easiest way to do that was with the omit type. I can create a brand new type if I want. We'll call it the new user type. And I'll say that type is based on the omit type. I pass it the type that I want to omit properties from, which is user. Then I pass it what I want to remove. In our case, I want to omit the ID property. Now, if I set this to the new user type, you notice I get no more errors. And when I hover over my new user type, you can see it has just a name and an age. It removed that ID property. I can do essentially the exact same thing with pick, because pick allows me to pick the exact properties I want. In our case, I want to have the name and I want to have the age property. So now if I hover over my new user, you can see it has only the name and age property and nothing else. These are two of the many TypeScript utility types, and I use